taking a look at the SPY here as we have been trading in a sideways range for past couple of months. And the SPY on Friday closed at all-time highs at $6.90 a share. And what is noticeable to me is that it's right at the upper end of the range. And this breakout in the SPY, it's not showing up on this chart. Interesting. I don't know what's going on. As we take a look at this SPY chart, as it has been trading in essentially a sideways range since October 10th, and it is right at all-time highs here at 690, and it is just now slightly above this resistance level that we have here at 689. And it is in the process of breaking out to the upside as it makes new highs. And you can see a solid momentum thrust to the upside in the rate of change oscillator and the fast line of the 310 oscillator. And all the while, as we have been trading in a sideways range, the long-term momentum, the slow line, has been now trending down. And what we can look to see is if the market continues to make new highs and trade above the upper Bollinger Band in the SPY, the slow line in the 310 oscillator, which is the long-term momentum, can start to turn up as we will see if this breakout holds and continues to develop as the SPY can continue to trade higher above the upper Bollinger Band, or do we trade back down into this sideways range and continue to prolong this time correction that we have seen over the past couple months? This sideways action is in itself a type of corrective price action. And since we didn't have a sharp decrease in price, we have just traded sideways. It has been a correction in time after we had this huge move from the lows on Liberation Day and a very solid move to all-time highs. This sideways action has been a correction in time, as time and price are essentially the same thing. So this back and forth action that we are seeing is very constructive in the long term. The one thing that has been on my mind about the S&P 500 is that it has been possible that we have been forming some type of top. But the fact that we are now at all-time highs in the SPY, this shows that this is ultimately just a sideways corrective phase in the market, and we can continue to go higher, especially if we keep going higher, trade above the upper Bollinger Band, and the slow line starts to turn up. That is more confirmation that the SPY can continue to trade higher.